Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Aetna member account. So first of all, launch any web browser on your mobile devices. I'm going to launch Google Chrome. Then go to the official website of Aetna, that is www.aetna.com. So once you come to the official website, you'll see the option of Login at the top right corner of the page. Tap on it. Now over here you'll see the option of Member Login. Tap on it. Now, in order to log into your Aetna member account, start by entering your username. After that, you would have to enter the password of your Aetna member account. Now you could also make a selection on this box of Remember username, so the next time you won't have to enter it manually. Then you could tap in the option of Login, or you could also tap on the option of Login with a code. Now over here all you would have to do is enter your username, then enter your date of birth. After that, if you tap on the option of Continue, you can check your text message or email for the code in order to log into your Aetna member account. So follow these easy steps in order to log into your Aetna member account easily. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.